Here we go. Here we go. Lots of birds here today. Everybody's here. There's about 40 birds here right in front of me. They're all real hungry today because they know that there's a snowstorm coming in tonight. Supposed to get a few inches anyhow, so it'll be the first good one of the year. And everybody's come to get some food in. Yeah, lots of birds here today. Good birds. Papa takes care of his birds. Yes, he does. You guys look very beautiful today. You're looking very beautiful. Yeah. Alright, I gotta get some food out for the small birds too now, huh? Yeah, there's birds everywhere around here. Alright, enough of that.